Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see a very important thing, that is that if you want to connect some external device to your Android device, for example, if you want to connect a USB via OTG or any external microphone via OTG, how we can enable that, because by default the OTG is off, so we have to manually enable that. And for that, we need to go to settings. Now from settings, we will just search on the top OTG. Just write OTG here. Sometimes you need to write it in capital. If you don't find any result, you have to go to hotspot and connections. And from here, if we scroll down a little bit, it's OTG mentioned here. So turn that on just like that. And then you should be able to connect with any external devices, whether it's a USB or whether it's an external microphone. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more about the amazing tips and tricks on the Android phone, you can join the complete playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.